Hello everyone and welcome to BBR Imports. My name is Ron and today we wanted to make a short video to discuss the LED lights that we sell and hopefully be able to answer a lot of common questions we often get. I do want to mention up front that the installation of these LED lights will require working with electricity and can be dangerous. It is highly recommended to have these lights installed by a licensed electrician. For more information on our lights and to see the different lights that we carry, please visit our website at bbrimportsonline.com. We will also post a link below. Today we will discuss the basic construction of these lights, the different lights we have in stock ready to ship, what is included with these lights, basic installation of these LED lights, and different optional cables we offer to simplify installation. Let's start with a quick overview of these lights. These lights come in what are called standard design. In this design there are two strips of LEDs that are enclosed in this aluminum and plastic housing with a clear lens cover. There's also a small PC board inside of each light. These lights are constructed entirely of metal, plastic, and electronics. There is no glass used in the construction of these lights, and that makes them very durable. These lights are also called V-style lights, which when installed emit the light out in two different directions away from each other. This allows the light to spread out more instead of being focused straight down. With these LED lights you get a much greater light output as compared to other lights. Light output is measured in lumens. Also with LEDs they use much less electricity, which will have these lights paying for themselves in no time at all. These lights are fully self-contained unit. There is no replaceable parts and everything you need to install them will be included. Just to note, these are designed for interior use only unless otherwise noted. All of the lights are basically the same with only a few variations. These LED lights come in different lengths. We carry 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 6 foot, and 8 foot lengths. All lights come in standard design option. 4 foot and 8 foot lights do come in a small variety of different models. 4 foot and 8 foot come in standard design, high output design, frosted lens design, and the newest 4-row design. We've already discussed the standard design. Next is the high output design. In the high output design, the LEDs are closer together so you get more LEDs in the same light fixture. More LEDs means more light output. The high output design comes in both a clear lens and a frosted lens design. The frosted lens is the exact same light other than that the cover is frosted to give it a softer look. These are recommended for interior areas such as offices, finished basements, showrooms, retail stores, utility rooms, and areas where you want lots of light but you want a nice finished look. The new 4-row technology is the next step up. Instead of having 2 strips of LEDs in the lights, these have 4 strips of LEDs. And again, more LEDs means more light output. Our 4-foot lights also come in a 12-volt version for use in work vans, inside truck caps, cargo trailers, inside truck toolboxes, and under bed rails when using tonneau covers. Any other 12-volt applications also. The 4-foot light also comes in a waterproof version, which is great for using in exterior applications such as wet crawl spaces, fish tanks, lids, applications like food trucks, food and race trailers, under canopies, etc. These are a sealed unit with only the electrical cord exposed. All lights come with the following standard accessories for installation. Spring steel mounting clips that are mounted using screws into your rafter, ceiling, or drywall. They snap onto the back of the light anywhere they happen to hit. Each light also comes with a pigtail wire harness for direct wiring into your electrical system. The yellow-green wire is your ground, the blue and brown are your hot and neutral. These plug into the end of the light as such, and that's all there is to installing these. This item is what's called a butt connector. This is used when butting multiple lights together end to end. With this, the lights must be end to end and in a straight line. It inserts like this. A second light will go right onto the end of it. When using this type of connector, I do recommend using a drop of silicone on the light themselves to help hold the lights together. This connector does tend to work itself loose if there is any vibration in your building. When installing these lights, the biggest thing to remember is to not exceed the maximum manufacturer's recommendation of 300 watts per string of lights. To calculate how many lights you can jumper together, just add up the wattage of the lights you have. For example, 4 72 watt lights equals 288 watts. 3 100 watt lights equals 300 watts. Again, staying under the manufacturer's recommendation of 300 watts per string of lights is what you need to do. Otherwise, that will void the warranty. The actual installation of these lights is very simple. There is the same connector at each end of the light, so it doesn't matter which end you use for connecting power. Use one end for your power connection, then you can use the other end to jumper additional lights if desired. Install your mounting clips for your lights on your rafters or walls. Snap the lights into the mounting clips and connect the power source that you have, and then you are all done. Again, it is recommended to have these lights installed by a professional electrician. We do also sell additional cables that make installation a lot easier. We have connector cables that is used to jumper 2 lights together. These come in various lengths. This will allow you to spread your lights out and do installations that require going around corners. We also have plug cables that allow you to just plug the lights into a standard receptacle. We have 3-foot cables. We also have 6-foot cables with an on-off switch. If you don't need the switch function on the 6-foot cable, you can just leave the switch in the on position for your installs. We also do have a custom-made coupling cable that's used to connect multiple of these cables together to give you the option for longer lengths if needed. These additional cables give you immense freedom and ease in installation. Thank you for your time, and we hope this helps answer many questions. For additional questions you may have, please visit our webpage, where we also have our full contact information. Thanks again, and happy lighting.